In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your demo account here in Vantage Markets. Let's begin. Now, let me tell you that Vantage Markets demo accounts cannot be permanently deleted like the live accounts, as they will expire automatically after 30 days. So, instead of deletion, you can simply use the reset option in the Vantage app. For you to do that, I want you to go to the account section on the top corner and then go to the demo account. Select the demo account that you have created, for example, this one, and click the edit balance. Because here, all I have to do is super simple. I want you to tap reset to restore the default balance and settings. So for example, we're gonna reset balance to 0. Click the confirm button. Okay? So that's the only way for you to be able to reset the demo accounts. And again, don't worry because demo accounts auto expire after 30 days, especially if there are no zero activity. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your demo account here in Vantage Markets. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.